Guys, Shannon Beaver back here at the scene of another chainsaw wake up that we're going to do. And I'm here with my friend. I'm actually not too sure that he's my friend because I kind of think he wants to kill me. But this is what we are waking people up to. It's sheer terror, it's sheer insanity, and I'm just not going to lie, like I actually think he really wants to kill people. So who knows what's going to happen. We are waking up the guy this time. We might get punched in the face. Too bad we don't have bulletproof vests. We could get shot at. I don't know, but we'll see. So wish us luck. Well, I want to let you guys know that love is in the air, and we have Mia here, and she is going to wake up her boyfriend this morning. So, you know, the most loving thing you can do for your soul. Get out there, dude. Good morning! Happy Halloween!
No, don't touch me.
Get away from me! By Johnjay and Rich!
Get away from me! What the hell
he's
just
standing
happened?
in the corner jumping on his bed. Do you guys want to talk to him? Look at me!